When you think about upgrading your home in Sugar Land, door replacement might not be the first thing that comes to mind. But for many homeowners across the area, from Greatwood to Telfair, new replacement doors have become one of the most effective ways to strengthen home security while boosting curb appeal. If you're looking for a simple upgrade that brings peace of mind, modern replacement doors offer powerful protection that older doors simply can't match. Stronger materials built to withstand forced entry. Most older doors in Sugar Land homes were installed years ago, and over time, weather exposure, humidity, and general wear can weaken their structure. Today's replacement doors are built with advanced materials such as reinforced steel, fiberglass composites, and solid core wood. These materials hold up far better against impact, making it significantly harder for intruders to kick in or pry open the door. Steel and fiberglass doors, in particular, are engineered to resist dents, warping, and cracking, common signs of weakness that burglars look for. By choosing a modern replacement door, you're installing a barrier designed specifically to prevent forced entry attempts. Enhanced locking systems that add extra protection. Security technology has come a long way, and replacement doors now come with multi-point locking systems, deadbolt reinforcements, and tamper-resistant hardware. Instead of relying on a single lock, multi-point systems secure the door in several places along the frame, making break-ins far more difficult. Homeowners in Sugar Land who invest in contemporary locking systems often find that they feel safer day and night, especially in areas with more through traffic or nearby commercial zones. For additional convenience and security, many replacement doors are compatible with smart locks, allowing you to monitor and lock your door from your phone, ideal for busy families always on the go. Stronger door frames improve safety. Even the strongest door won't perform well if the frame is weak. One of the biggest security benefits of replacement doors is that installers typically replace or reinforce the entire door frame. This eliminates gaps, soft spots, or rotted wood that intruders can exploit. New frames are designed to support advanced locking systems and withstand high levels of pressure. This is especially important in Sugar Land's humid climate, where moisture can cause older frames to swell or split. A reinforced frame ensures your new door works exactly the way it should: strong, secure, and dependable. Improved glass options that resist breakage. If your entry door includes glass panels, upgrading can significantly enhance home security. Many older glass doors use thin, single-pane glass that can be broken quickly and quietly. Modern replacement doors feature impact-resistant glass, laminated glass, or double-pane safety glass, all designed to stay intact even under force. These improved glass options not only increase security but also improve energy efficiency, an added bonus during Sugar Land's hot summers. Better fit, fewer vulnerabilities. A common issue with older doors is improper fit. Gaps around the edges not only lead to energy loss but also create opportunities for tools to be inserted to pry the door open. Replacement doors are custom fitted to your home, ensuring a tight, secure seal. This eliminates vulnerabilities and strengthens the barrier between your home and the outside world. Peace of mind for your family. Ultimately, replacing your doors is about more than materials and locks. It's about peace of mind. Knowing your home is protected with stronger entry points makes a meaningful difference in how secure you feel every day. Whether you're leaving for work, traveling, or simply sleeping at night, a modern replacement door gives your family the confidence that your home is safe. Final thoughts. If you're considering upgrading your home's security in Sugar Land, replacement doors are a smart and impactful investment. They combine strength, advanced technology, improved fit, and modern materials to keep your home safer than ever. A new door doesn't just look better, it protects better.